All right, check out my screen here. It says this is going to go to IKEA.com, but it's not going to go to IKEA.com. It says it's going to go to Costcoofficial.com. See, it says right here IKEA.com, but when I scroll over it, my browser tells me it's going to go to Costcoofficial.com, which is not the official Costco website. Costco.com is the official Costco website. So that to me says these specific scammers are using a lot of different companies from America and Sweden, of course, and wherever else to pretend that they are those companies, and they're not. 90% off IKEA closed store clearance. And this website, by the way, which is Costcoofficial.com, means, of course, they used to do Costco scamming. And so I couldn't actually access it, but I looked here and it said, deceptive site ahead. And I hit details. I said, let's continue to go to the unsafe website. It didn't load anything, but it did redirect me from Costcoofficial.com to ikeasale.shop. And that is probably the current website where they're trying to send people to. And we can look both those up here. Costcoofficial.com, registered on October 27, 2023. And if we scroll down past all the redacted, Chengdu West Dimension Digital Technology Company Limited, which to me means China. That's likely coming from China, right? So let's just go ahead and assume that. And so basically, the other one here. I looked this up earlier. ikeasale.shop. And if we look here, redacted, Hostinger Operations UAB. And I was like, what is that? Where is this ikeasale.shop website registered? And I looked it up and it went to this address for something in Lithuania. So that's where this is apparently coming from. So basically, if you got scammed by this, contact your credit card company, ask them what they can do to help. And I'll go back to one of the ad here so you can see that. And hit the like button down below. That'll help me out. The thanks button is off to the right of the like button. That'll also help me out. I'm spending some quality time to make this video to help you out. So if you want to give back, there's a thanks button off to the right of the like button and the pinned comment down below. This is not just an afterthought. It has ways that you can give back to me if you're financially able to, and someone who is well off, to educate people with my videos. If you want to support me to educate people with my videos, check out the pinned comment down below. It's ways to give to me. And of course, those are verified ways, good ways through PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, Zelle, that sort of thing. And it's a direct payment thing. It's not a scam link, obviously, because I'm giving you an email address that you can send information or money to, rather, if you want to. Small amount if you're able to. I don't have any donations yet through my comments, but I'm hoping to get my first one soon, right? So this fake IKEA store going through a fake Costco store. Man, these scammers, with the holidays coming up, Thanksgiving, Christmas, watch out. There are going to be a lot of these scams. Thank you for watching.